Hello everyone, welcome back to the Random Science Topics. In today's video, we will explore one of the most amazing processes in biology, how nerve impulse travel through a neuron. We will understand each phase, resting potential, depolarization and repolarization step by step in simple language. If you love learning science in an easy way, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming science videos. This is a neuron, the basic unit of our nervous system. It has three major parts: dendrites, which receive signals, cell body, which processes them, and axon, which carries the signal away from the cell body. The electrical signal, known as action potential, travels along this axon, just like a current moving through a wire. Now, when the neuron is not sending any message, it is in a state called resting potential. The inside of the axon is negatively charged compared to the outside, about negative 70 millivolts. Why? Because of the uneven distribution of ions, more sodium outside and more potassium inside. And the sodium-potassium pump keeps pushing 3 sodium ions out and 2 potassium ions in, using energy from ATP. That's why the inside stays negative. The neuron is polarized, ready to fire a signal. If you are finding this easy to understand, please give a like. It really helps the channel to grow and reach more science learners like you. When a stimulus like touch or sound reaches the neuron, it causes depolarization. The sodium channels open and sodium rush in. This makes the inside less negative and then positive, around positive 40 millivolts. This change in charge is called action potential. The positive charge triggers the next section of the axon to open its sodium channels, so the impulse travels forward like a wave, step by step. Immediately after depolarization, the neuron needs to return to the normal. That's repolarization. The sodium channel close and potassium channels open, allowing potassium to move out. This makes the inside negative again. Sometimes the neuron become a little too negative. That's called hyperpolarization. But soon it comes back to the resting level. The sodium-potassium pump again pushes the sodium out and potassium in, restoring the original ion balance. Now the neuron is ready for another impulse. As depolarization happens at one point, it stimulates the next, so the impulse moves continuously along the axon. Like a wave, in myelinated neurons, it jumps from one node of Ranvier to the next, which is called saltatory conduction, making signal transmission much faster. If you have learned something new till now, comment below. I understand how a nerve impulse travels. I love reading your comments, and if you still have any confusion, ask me your question there. I reply to most of them. So that's the complete process of how an electrical impulse travels through a neuron, starting from resting potential, following by depolarization, repolarization and restoration. This rapid process is what makes your brain think, your muscle move and your heart beat, all in just milliseconds. If you enjoyed this detailed explanation, please like this video, share it to your friends, and you don't forget to subscribe to Random Science Topics for more easy science videos in every week. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.